Hello students, welcome to class 8, subject English, the first lesson, the best Christmas present in the world. As we know that this lesson is divided into 3 parts and I have explained all the 3 parts completely. Now today we will discuss about the moral of the lesson. Now this best Christmas present in the world. The best Christmas present in the world, which was written by Michael Morpurgo. Now your best Christmas present in the world. This story gives us lots of morals. So today we will discuss about the moral of the lesson. Now this story gives us a lot of morals. For example, both soldiers of different country don't want to fight on Christmas Day. They don't want to fight with each other on that Christmas Day. They want to solve their problems without fighting on that day. वो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ना नहीं चाहते थे. वो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ लड़े बिना ही वो लोग वो क्रिसमस डे मनाना चाहते थे. Now they enjoyed the Christmas Day in no man's land. Now both the soldiers of German countries and Britishers, they enjoyed the Christmas Day on no man's land and played football. They found a sportive solution to their problem by playing football. They gave us a moral that sports are the best way to solve problems. They try to give the moral that sports are the best way to solve the problem instead of war. वॉर के बदले वो लोग अगर स्पोर्ट्स से जो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं. नाउ इट ऑल्सो कन्वेज दैट वॉर एंड फाइट ओनली ब्रिंग सैडनेस एंड ह्यूमिलिएशन ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. जो कि वॉर है उस और फाइट है उससे सिर्फ सैडनेस आ सकती है, दुख मिलता है ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. वन शुड जनरली फॉलो द पाथ ऑफ पीस एंड अटेनिंग हैप्पीनेस इन द वर्ल्ड. हमें विश्व शांति से रहना चाहिए, सभी लोग सुख से रह सके, पूरे विश्व में शांति का संदेश मिले. एंड दिस वुड बी द बेस्ट क्रिसमस गिफ्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. और वही क्रिसमस के लिए सबसे बेस्ट गिफ्ट था. Now, I hope you have understood this story very well, and you have to read again this story, and let's solve the exercises, some of the exercises of this lesson. Now here you can see the first question. Look at this working with language. Look at these sentences from the story. Now, I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport. This paragraph is taken from the lesson. Now, I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport. The man said it was made in the early 19th century. This one was in bad condition. Now, the italicized words, the words which are in italic form, are in the past tense. You can see here spotted, said, right, was. Now the italicized words are in the past tense. They tell us what happened in the past before now. Whatever happened, the verbs which are in past form, they tell us what happened in the past before now. जो कुछ भी past में बना हुआ है वो indicate करता है. Now read the passage below and underline the verbs in the past tense. Now you can see the paragraph and we have to underline the past form, past tense verbs. First, a man got on the rain and sat down. Here the man got is a past form of get. So we underline this word. On the train and sat down. Here sat is a past tense of sit. The compartment was empty. Here was is a past form of is, except for one lady. She took her gloves off. Here took is a past verb in the past tense. Its present form is take. A few hours later, the police arrested the man. Here the verb is in the past tense, which is the present form of this word is arrest. Now they held him for 24 hours and then freed him. Now held is also a past verb and freed. Okay. Now you have to read the passage and underline all the past forms from this passage. Now look at these sentences. The vineyard had lifted almost everywhere. Both fire and water had taken their toll on this desk. Here you can see the words had lifted and had taken. Notice the verb from had lifted, had taken their toll. Now the author found and bought the desk in the past. ऑथर ने जो डेस्क कब लिया था, कब देखा था और कब लिया था, पास्ट में. द डेस्क वॉज डैमेज्ड बिफोर द ऑथर फाउंड इट एंड बॉट इट. और जब उन्होंने वो डेस्क देखा और ख़रीदा उसके पहले से वो डैमेज था. वो जब भी खरीदा, देखा और ख़रीदा उसके पहले वो डेस्क डैमेज था. राइट. द फायर एंड वाटर हैड डैमेज्ड द डेस्क before the author found it and bought it. Before the author found it and bought it, the desk had damaged. जब उन्होंने देखा और ख़रीदा उसके पहले वो डेस्क डैमेज था. We use verb forms like had damaged for an event in the earlier past. If there are two events in the past, we use the had form for the event that occurred first in the past. If there are two events in the past, जो past में two events बने होते हैं, तो we use the had form for the event that occurred first in the past. जो past में two events बने होते हैं, तो जो first event होता है उसके लिए हम हैड फॉर्म का यूज़ करते हैं, हैड, और उसके साथ पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म का यूज़ करते हैं. वी ऑल्सो यूज़ द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस टू शो दैट समथिंग वॉज विश्ड फॉर और एक्सेप्टेड बिफोर द पर्टिकुलर टाइम इन द पास्ट. वी यूज़ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस फॉर दैट. मीन्स हैड प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैड ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड, वंस हैड वॉन्टेड. Now discuss with your partner the difference in meeting in the sentences below. When I reached the station, the train left. When I reached the station, the train left. When I reached the station, the train had left. This is the right sentence. पहले ये दोनों एक्शंस जो है पास्ट में हुई थी, पर सबसे पहली एक्शन क्या हुई थी? आई रीच्ड द स्टेशन, द ट्रेन हैड लेफ्ट. वो स्टेशन पहुंचा, उसके पहले ट्रेन चली गई थी, तो ये पहले हुई थी ये एक्शन. तो हियर इट यूज्ड पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस एंड हियर इज यूज्ड पास्ट टेंस. नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स यूजिंग द करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब्स इन ब्रैकेट्स. नाउ वी हैव टू यूज द करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंटेंस. माई लिटिल सिस्टर इज वेरी नॉटी. When she blank back from school yesterday. Here yesterday is given. It is a suggestive word for the past tense. So here the answer is came. When she came back from school yesterday. Here it is about the past. So we have to use here past form. She had blank her dress. Here had is given. So we have to put past participle. She had torn. The past participle of tear is torn. She had torn her dress. We blank her how it had blanked. We asked her how it had happened. Had is given, happened. She said, say past form is said. She blank have quarrel is given. Present forms are given. We have to use them in past perfect. Had quarreled with the boy. She have beat, had beaten him in a race, and he have tried, had tried. She blank have tell, had told. And the teacher, and so he blank have chased her. Here have past form is had and chase or chased. And she blank have fall down, had fallen. Have past form of have is had, fall for fallen. And blank her dress, and had torn her dress. Okay. Now underline the verbs and arrange them in two columns, past and earlier past. We have to read these sentences and arrange them in two columns, past and earlier past, past and past participle, past and past perfect tense. Okay, now my friends set out to see caves in the next town, but I stayed at home because I had seen. The set out, stayed was indicated the past and had seen is earlier past. दो जो एक्शंस पास्ट में होती है उसमें जो पहली जो क्रिया होती है पास्ट में उसके साथ हम हैड का यूज़ करते हैं. तो हियर हैड सीन इज अर्लियर पास्ट एंड सेट आउट एंड स्टेड इज इन पास्ट. when they arrived at the station, arrived is in past form. Their train had left, here had left is in second column. They came back is in past column. And that time I had gone out to see a movie, had gone is in the earlier past. So they sat outside, here sat is in past and at is also past, and I had packed for her, had packed is earlier past. By the time I returned, return is in past, and they had fallen asleep, had fallen is indicated the earlier past. Okay, now you have to write these solved exercises in your notebook. Okay, let's take a rest here. Thank you.